Yeah, this camera's good. Thank you. My God, thank you so much. Things are moving in terms of football, for example. We had, and we still have in Lahore a football academy for kids that was promoted by Atlético de Madrid, not Real Madrid. And that was the first initiative. There is a Spanish citizen living in Pakistan who is also promoting Spanish football through precisely schools for children. And that's a beginning, especially football, because that's our forte, I think. When it comes to tennis, nothing much is happening right now, but we could explore ways of bringing, for example, Rafael Nadal has an academy, a school for tennis in Mallorca, his hometown, and I'm sure that he has programs for to promote tennis abroad or to bring coaches to different countries for kids who want to become in the future sportsmen. Actually, I wish that we could import mangoes from Pakistan, because the mangoes that we eat in Spain have nothing to do with the mangoes that you produce here. They are not as juicy, as sweet and wonderful. But I hear that the problem with the export of mangoes is that there's a problem with the transportation of these mangoes. It's very difficult to get them fresh when they arrive in Europe, and we would like to contribute with this, because there are mechanisms, there are technologies, sophisticated technologies that would allow these mangoes to arrive in Europe as fresh as they are here. And yes, I would love that to happen, because I have to admit that Spanish people do not know much about the Pakistani mangoes, the Multani mangoes. But it's a product that you should export, because there's nothing like it in the world. That's what the embassy does, by meeting people that we're doing now, by getting to know the different regions of Pakistan and getting to know what they produce, what we can import from them, what we can export also. And that's basically what we do on a daily basis. And I came to Multan with my commercial attaché. He's the expert in these issues, and he's giving ideas to all our friends here at the Chamber of Commerce. We have been telling them how to proceed if they want to establish more contacts with Spanish companies or with Spanish chambers of commerce as well.